I have just updated the API permissions of my registered application in Azure AD, Microsoft Entra ID. And now I would like to test whether the plugin WPO365 is able to retrieve the Azure AD groups that my test user that I will use for the plugin self-test is a member of. To do so, I will go to the plugin self-test and I will simply click to start the self-test. It will ask me to sign in because I configured OpenID Connect-based single sign-on, and amongst a lot of other things, the plugin will also test whether it is able to retrieve the Azure AD groups that the user that I tested with is a member of. I will scroll down and I will look for the section called Roles and Access Audiences, and here it is. And I can see that the test case to get a user's Azure AD group memberships with application permissions has been successful. And I can actually even click View to see the raw data that the plugin was able to retrieve from Microsoft Graph. You will also notice that the test case to get a user's Azure AD group memberships with delegated permissions has failed, but that's not a problem. Because if the plugin is able to retrieve a user's Azure AD group memberships with application permissions, it means it can do so independently from a logged in user. Basically, it means it can always get this data. I'm happy with the result, and I can continue to define new rules to dynamically assign WordPress roles based on a user's Azure AD group memberships.